Welcome to this Department of Workforce Development, or DWD, video on how to add two-factor authentication to your Unemployment Insurance Claimant Portal account. DWD requires UI claimants to add two-factor authentication to help protect your account. Two-factor authentication adds another layer of security that helps protect your claimant portal account from being taken over by someone who has gained access to your username and password. With two-factor authentication, you will complete an additional step to log into your account after entering your username and password from an unknown device. You can choose to enter a code sent to you by text message, phone call, or through an Authenticator app, which generates secure codes on your phone that you will enter when asked. If you have not enabled two-factor authentication, you will see the two-factor authentication page as soon as you log into the claimant portal. This screen provides information about two-factor authentication and its benefits. Choose Next to continue the process to enable this security feature. From the next screen, you must select which method you would like to use to receive two-factor authentication codes: text message, phone call, or Authenticator app. If you select text message or phone call and have a primary or mobile phone number listed on your profile, a redacted version of the number will display for you to choose. If you would like to add a new number, select Other. If you selected text message, you will receive a text message with a 6-digit verification code. Enter the code on your claimant portal screen and click on the Verify button to enable the two-factor authentication. If you selected phone call, you will receive a call that may come from an out-of-state number. You will be prompted to press a number on your phone and a 6-digit verification code will be read to you. Enter the code on your claimant portal screen and click on the Verify button to enable two-factor authentication. DWD recommends using an Authenticator app for two-factor authentication. Authenticator apps provide several advantages over other methods because they are more secure, faster, more reliable, self-contained, and multi-purpose. Authenticator apps are available for download on your device from your device's app store. Popular authenticator apps are Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, Twilio Authy, and Okta Verify. If you selected Authenticator app, you will be directed to the Setup Authenticator app screen and be given instructions to link your claimant portal account to your chosen Authenticator app. To complete this process, open the Authenticator app and scan the QR code displayed on the claimant portal screen, or manually set up the Authenticator app by entering the setup key provided on the page. Next, enter the 6-digit verification code from your Authenticator app and click on the Verify button to enable the two-factor authentication. If you choose to remember your device, you will not be asked to enter the verification code the next time you log in with that device. When logging in from a non-trusted device, you will again be asked to enter a verification code, which will be sent to your default two-factor authentication method. At any time after setting up two-factor authentication, return to your profile settings to review and update your settings. From the bottom of the Claimant Profile page, choose Update from the Two-Factor Authentication section. This page shows the two-factor authentication method you have set up and allows you to add and remove each method. If you only have one authentication method set up, you will not be able to remove that method until you have added a new authentication method. This page also displays any trusted devices and allows you to remove them. If you lose access to your two-factor authentication method, you must reset your account to complete your login. Note that in addition to removing any two-factor authentication methods you have set up, this action will also require you to be reauthorized to access your Unemployment Insurance Claimant Portal account. The reauthorization process requires you to enter your personal information and may also require you to complete additional identity verification procedures, so resetting your account should only be done as a last resort. Thank you for taking the time to view this Department of Workforce Development video on two-factor authentication. For more information on unemployment insurance or to file your claim, go to my.unemployment.wisconsin.gov.